Have you ever looked at one of your PowerPoint slides and thought, whoa, it's way, way, way too busy? And it often happens because we know we've got to share this slide deck afterwards with people who perhaps aren't in the meeting, or because people who are in the meeting want to have the details and reference later. Let me show you a classic example here. So this slide here is all about the paradox of choice. Lots of bullet points, lots of information, and if we're honest, nobody's reading all of that whilst you are presenting. If we look at slide 2 here, you can see that what you've got is a much, much cleaner slide with the key message on it. If you confuse, you'll lose. So what I've then done is put all of the supporting notes into the notes section down here. And the magic here is if you can now create a PDF document of this. So rather than sending out the PowerPoint to everybody, if you now create a PDF, so if you go up into File, Print, okay, and what you're going to do is Microsoft Print to PDF, and what you're going to do is choose Note Pages here. And it just means that you will now, when you send this to print, what it will do is create a PDF in your system that has both the visual slide with the key message, which is what you need for the room, but what it also has is the supporting points, which if somebody's reading your presentation afterwards or want to refer back to it, has got your key points here. And it now means that you have got a PowerPoint that serves the needs of the room with something clear and powerful, but also supports people as a reference document there afterwards.